It's me again. I thought I'd do a traditional Ganawagi, Utah garage video. When I started, I used to do like fun things, and gotta get back to my roots here. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Gotta have all the safety gear, because actually I take the ears out of my ear because they're not really doing anything. You can't listen to earbuds. So anyway, we're gonna put I bought the wrong earbuds. I bought a replacement set. Yeah, I know it's Apple, whatever, blah blah blah. But there's an app on there that's good music. So anyway, I got the fancy thing here. What am I doing today? I'll show you. First of all, I got this. Then we're gonna take the battery off of this. Put this over here, I guess. Right? Put it somewhere it'll fall on me and break my foot. What I like to do is I have this right here, this thing, which is broken. My kids broke it, so I figured why not. Let's see if we can get it open first. Let's see if I can pry it open. Why am I putting gloves on for a piece of plastic? Because I am really close to it. This thing has magnets on it too. There's 2 magnets here, so kids broke it. It's gonna stand on it. It actually works pretty good with the batteries, but you can see the little blue thing here is kind of off. It's supposed to turn and hide, and it doesn't work anymore. Somehow they broke the piece right here. So why am I demolishing it? I don't know, because that's what I do. Let's take the sharpest thing on the bench here and see if I can. Oh, there we go. We got it open. Thought I was gonna have to use the grinder to open it. Apparently not. Maybe there's screws behind here. Maybe there's screws behind it. Come on. Come on. Out there. Come on. That's good. See if there's screws behind the magnet. Oh, looks like we got some screws behind the magnet. Oh, I won't need a... Come on. Get out there. Holy shit. It's bonded. Very good. Very cool, man. Nice magnet. It's a pretty good magnet. I'll just destroyed it. I need a screwdriver for this too. Let's see. Snare and lift. Lift. Still, there we go. Come on. Turn this up. Holy guacamole. Uh-oh. I'll wreck the magnet. Well, now we need a screwdriver. Scoochie driver. Let's see if I got any in here. What is this? There's supposed to be... Close this real quick. Some bits in here. This is heart. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, look at that. Oh, there's one there still. Take this in. It's the Walmart brand. There, I'm not using the grinder, so I'll put this back here. It's a Wally World one. So, I'll go like this. That was a pretty cool magnet until I wrecked it. Anybody wondering what's in these cheap? Not cheap. It's about 14 bucks, but the little thing it tells you it's The little thing tells you the time's up doesn't really work anymore, so. Oh, there's only one screw coming out. Hit that one in there. Come on, get in there. No part. Oh, that's it. That's it. Jeez Louise. Let's take this off of here. There's not much to this. Not much. I wonder why this is over here. Oh, it's the little LED thing. Come on. Get off there. That's off there. Can you see inside? There's a battery terminal. Take this off here. Come on. That off there. Okay, the buttons are there. This is stuck. What is that, a beeping? Oh man. Does the battery compartment come out? Oh. Pull the button off. The knob's off. So basically it's, I don't know how the hell this thing's, oh, there's a screen there. I guess the screen pops out by going like this. Come on. Come on, get out of there. Uh-oh. The screen, piece of, I think, plastic, I guess. Oh, it's like glued in there. It's glued on there big time. That's like glued in there. This is junk. A big piece of plastic. The knob. And then there's this part, which, see if I can dig it out without breaking it. That's the little sound thing, but I don't know what this is. Let's see. Weird. Let me see it. Let's go like this. I'm gonna take a pair of pliers. Go like this. Come on. Surgery here. It's not very, there we go, see? What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get this out one piece. Why? I don't know. Come on, get off there. There we go. Come on. Get out of there. Let's see if I can put it up here. Not sure what the hell this is. Okay, we got all this out of here, and we're just going to chop this. Black and red. So, this is all what's in it. There's a little timer. See, the piece that broke was this piece detached from there. If I put a battery on this and turn it like so, it'll time it. This is the sound button and the speaker light, and there was something else button. So yeah, I have my own little 5-minute alarm. Too bad I don't have any batteries here. Anyways, this is pretty much what's in it. It's a pretty little, cool little high-tech gadget. I could probably use it. Make a little, I should take some car part and put a battery casing in it and make a timer out of it. These 2 AA batteries. It's pretty cool. So anyway, that's pretty much magnets. It's picking everything. That's the inside. Too bad this battery case doesn't come off. Actually, it looks like it's fitted in there somehow. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. No. Let's have some fun. I got an idea. I have an idea. Let's go like this. Okay, let's go like this first. That's gone. We'll cut this one here. And we'll cut it right here. Nice and gummy. Ow! Ouchies. That thing melted big time. Holy crack-a-moly. Smoking. This right here. Let it pull off. Take this and take the crummy plastic off. What will I do with it? Have some fun with it. As soon as it dries off, yeah. I'll find something weird to put this thing in. Now that I have the battery box for it. I have the battery compartment. And all it is a timer that beeps. It goes beep, 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 beep. Guessing that's the beeper. There's like 3 wires on here. This is the battery. This is, I don't know what the hell. Oh, that's a little light. And I think this is, I don't know what this is. Something. Not sure. We'll figure out what it is though. Ta-da! So anyway. Cool. So yeah, I just took apart this thing. You can look at, if you look this up, timer on Amazon, you'll see it on Amazon. It's like, I think I bought it on sale. It was like $16 or something. One of my kids broke it. I need to get another one. It's one of those like timeout clocks. So anyway, that's pretty much it. That's the exciting video for tonight. You can see my head looks like it's on fire. Anyway, thought I'd do it just for fun. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your buddies and uncles and cousins. And ta-da! Have a good one.